So we were looking for an interior designer for our house, and we went through round of discussion with several vendors, saw so many quotations, and we were almost about to finalize someone. And right at that time, my wife saw some status of her school friend, and that's where it all started.
So I suggested Bhavik Construct Designing to transform our house. So I knew Nidhi from college days, and I thought let's give it a try and let's transform with her.
So when we bought this house, it was our first house, right? So we had so many expectations, dreams attached to it. It was quite personal, right? And for me, it was a 1.5 BHK, so I was more concerned about my parents, how that half bedroom will place out, because the space was not that much, and that was a main deciding factor even for the buying the house. So that was my main concern, and Nidhi took it really well. And the way she designed the room, I was quite worried how they will sleep, how my dad's workstation will be set up, how there will be storage enough for them. But everything just worked out really well in the given space, and now we don't see a space concern at all.
The second main concern for women was like kitchen. So we wanted a lot of storage, every little thing to be placed organized. So what Nidhi did is, Nidhi took all the efforts, she came home, she measured all the utensils, and she organized in such a way that my kitchen just looks wow.
And good thing that I liked about Nidhi is I didn't know her before our conversation here, right? So, but the way she connected with me and the family, which was quite excellent. She's extremely friendly. I mean, after end of our work, she's part of our family now. So that's quite, especially when you're doing something new on your own, you need someone who understands your requirement very well. And when she was working with all other vendors, she was working like it is her own house. So that kind of pain that I had, she just took it over on herself. So whatever requirement or whatever things that I wanted to do it was her area. Even there were so many challenges in between, I didn't want to bother about it because she took it on herself. And like I said, she treated it like it's her own house, it's her own dream, and the result is history.
She spoke to each and every family member, and she just wanted to know what everyone wants, and she wanted to build in such a way that it looks like our dream house, and it is.
And another thing that I liked about her was, I personally am not good with color sense, right? So, but she was very clear and confident that yes, yellow color will look good, grey color will look good, design will look good. I was personally a little skeptical, but I'm glad that I trusted her judgment there. And I got so many compliments for that same yellow or grey color, which I was skeptical. And if I had to do it on my own, I would have never selected this color or this theme. But since she took that step, which was quite, it was honestly risk for me because I was not confident, but I think it turned out to be really well because she was quite clear with her color sense and everything, and that gave me a little bit confidence, and that confidence paid off. So I received so many good compliments from all my friends and family members during our housewarming. So everyone is really feeling wow that this is something that you have earned it, you have owned it. So it's quite proud feeling for us now.
Also, she has ensured that our favorite colors being used. So, and even the corner wardrobe utilization is just a wow. And I am in love with my house. It is truly said, home is where the heart is.
So thank you, Construct Designing, and we really appreciate whatever you've done for us, and all the very best.